Alright guys, this is another video from me. This time we are unboxing another Google product. This is the Google Home, the largest speaker of the two. This is very similar in what it knows to the Google Home Mini, but this one is a larger device. Let's see what's in the box. Right, okay, let's pull this tab. I'll go a little bit further away. Let's pull this tab, and straight away you can see the Google Home device. It's a nice clean cut. On the back you see a Google logo. This will be an LED, and you can see the mute button. On the bottom of it you see practically nothing apart from the usual things. Let's see what else is in the box. That's just the base it was standing on. Some manual, get started, how to set it up. Just start by saying OK Google. This is again a pamphlet about the basic commands. You can customize your Google Home. You can buy different bases in the Google store, and there is a limited warranty card as well. Also in the box will be the charging brick. It's a relatively large charging brick which ends in a socket like a plug like this. So it's not USB-C, not even USB, micro USB. It is their own design, and basically this is it. That's all you can find in the box. I will set it up and we'll see how it works. Thank you guys. Peace out.